How rich people avoid paying taxes to get richer. The majority of people in this country, as well as in any other country, earn money through regular jobs that pay hourly wages or regular paychecks. Different countries have distinct laws, yet they all follow the same fundamental foundation. The wealthy find ways to avoid paying them. Despite the fact that regular citizens are taxed, statistics demonstrate that the vast majority of millionaires and billionaires either do not pay any taxes or pay very little. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about how rich people avoid paying taxes to get richer. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 5. Living off loans to avoid taxes. You are not required to pay taxes on money that you borrow because it is not considered income. This is something that the wealthy take advantage of. As a result of the fact that selling the equities would need to result in the payment of taxes on them, they utilize their stock shares to obtain large loans from banks and then use those loans to support their lifestyles. As an illustration, Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of Tesla, uses his stock as collateral when he takes out loans. Elon is able to maintain his lifestyle in this manner, and he is able to avoid paying taxes on the money he borrows because it is not subject to taxation. Number 4. Charity and donations. Despite the fact that many affluent people have the belief that they should give back to the community and donate significant amounts of money, not all of them have the best interests of the community at heart. For the most part, they do so in order to avoid paying taxes. Easements for conservation are one method that the wealthy have used to take advantage of the tax. Rich people may be able to recoup the majority of the taxes they have paid by donating to charitable organizations. Because they've made the decision to donate their earnings to charitable organizations, they are able to almost avoid paying any taxes at all. Number 3. Stepped-up basis loophole. The stepped-up basis tax loophole is the largest tax loophole in the world, but the majority of average people are ignorant of it. By doing so, the wealth of the family is permitted to remain within the family, and taxes are avoided. Those who are not aware of this fact should know that when stocks are transferred to an heir after the death of the original owner, the successor will only be required to pay taxes on the profit that was made after they inherited the stock. Because of this, there is no tax on gains made in the past, which is the means by which wealthy families are able to preserve their money. Number 2. Lawyers to avoid paying taxes. People who are wealthy often retain the services of attorneys who are experts in avoiding excessive taxes and protecting their possessions. In spite of the fact that they take a significant cut, these attorneys ensure that their clients do not incur any financial losses due to taxes. Wealthy individuals make use of their connections and power in order to advocate for policies that exempt them from paying taxes. They have strong relationships with legislators and bribe them in order to avoid paying taxes in the future. They do this by maintaining strong contact with legislators. As a result of their familiarity with the tax rules and their ability to quickly identify loopholes that allow their clients to save money, tax lawyers are able to provide assistance to their clients. Number 1. Holding wealth in stocks and real estate. For the most part, wealthy individuals do not store their money in banks or make it easily available. The way in which they handle their riches is distinct from the way that regular people do it. A portion of their wealth is invested in stocks or real estate, both of which are exempt from taxation until they are sold. A consequence of this is that the wealthy continue to amass wealth as the value of their assets increases, but they do not have to pay taxes on those assets. For instance, Jeff Bezos, the former CEO of Amazon, pays almost no taxes since the majority of his wealth is held in Amazon stocks, which are not taxed until he sells them. This allows him to avoid paying substantial amounts of taxes. Final thoughts. Those who are wealthy have discovered a number of techniques to avoid paying their taxes in the correct manner, saving millions and billions of dollars. Many rely on loans to make ends meet, while many others invest in stocks and other assets that are exempt from taxation until they are sold. Rich individuals are also using charitable organizations and gifts as a means of obtaining tax exemptions. Wealthy individuals also retain the services of tax attorneys to aid them in locating tax loopholes that would allow them to avoid paying taxes and save their clients money. Billionaires make use of their connections and power to influence the way laws are written and to advocate policies that are favorable to them. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.